Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So this video will be useful for any semester student of your degree under Osmania University. So in this video I want to give you some presentation tips how you need to present your answers in your examination. So it will be a useful video to any of the student, either if you are having backlog, either if you are having a regular subject also, this video will be helpful. And if you are an average student, if you are passing in every subject but you are not scoring up to the mark, so this presentation tips helps you to understand how you need to present your answers in your examination booklet, how time management is important, everything we will discuss in this video. All you need to do is don't skip the video and watch till the end, okay? So you can easily understand how to crack your examinations, okay students? So after getting the booklet, so in your examination they will give the booklet and it will be your single rule book, okay? So meeku plain book undadu, only single rule book you will be having. So for single rule book you need to draw the margins, okay? Margins plays a important role for your presentation. Why? Because if you are writing the answers in a standard way, for example, like this lines it will have in the end of your booklet, it will not have proper lines, okay? So that time what you need to do is just draw like this and keep the margin here. Some of the students, if it is booklet is like this, means half of the page they will do margin only, especially boys. You should not do that, okay? So as a invigilator, as a paper corrector who is evaluating your paper will easily understand that you are doing some mistake and you are doing half of the page margin only. Then where you will write this much only, you will write the answers. That time it leads to deduction of your marks. So that's why what you need to do, if it is your booklet, just 1 inch line you draw like this here, so that you will have your booklet in a standard way. There you need to write your answers, okay? So for example, in your question paper you are having part A and part B, okay? So first, if you are starting part A, how many questions they are asking? For example, suppose 5 questions they are asking you to write. So 5 questions you need to write it. After completing 5 questions, go to part B. Some of the students, what the mistake they will do is, they will start part B first, they will write 1 or 2 questions, they will shift to part A, again they will write 1 or 2 questions, again they will shift to part B. Like, you will not write your answers in a like standard way. Like if you are starting part A means you need to complete that part A. At that particular time, if you are not getting that, if you are not striking that answer in your mind, means give some space. Give some space and go for the next answer, go for the next section. But if after completing part A or whatever the part you are starting, whatever the section you are starting in your question paper, you need to complete it first. And to pass any subject in your degree semesters, all you need to do is just attempt full paper, okay? Whether you know or don't know the question, is doesn't matter. How, whether for example, they are asking 5 short questions and 5 long questions to attempt. 5 short questions carries each 4 marks, it carries each 12 marks, okay? If you are attempting 5 long and 5 short, you are attempting 80 marks question paper, right? You are attempting for 80 marks, okay? So question ki 2 marks eskunna hoina kuda, you will easily get 40 marks. Passing marks is only 32. Understood? So writing means not simply writing. So just topic related. Minimum to minimum, to pass in any of the subject, at least you need to learn 2 units now. You need to learn 2 units, you need to be perfect with that 2 units, and you need to attempt the whole question paper. Who will fail? Nobody will fail in this world. You need to attempt every question. If you are attempting answers in your own way also, topic related answer you need to attempt, okay? Especially formation of English statements is must and should, okay? So this is the thing. Many of the students, they will read in a proper way, they will read everything, they know answers also, but in examination time will not be sufficient. Why they will not be sufficient means some of the students have like slow writers, some are like good handwriting they will have, but they will have the slow writing, okay? Each student behavior will be different only. I will be writing fast but my handwriting was not good. You will be writing slow but your handwriting was excellent. So it matters. But what does it matter means, if you are writing the answer, it should be in a understandable way. Especially cursive writers, like this they will write. As it is, your correction is not a manual correction. Yours is a digital correction. Digital correction is nothing but online correction. Your booklet will be barcoded in the computer, and screen they will visible. Okay, for the paper evaluator, online they will do your correction. Okay, so use black pen only. You can use blue pen also, but comparatively blue and black shows more clarity when you are having digital correction. Okay, only use one pen for side headings, main headings and information. Why? Because it is not the manual correction. Whatever the pen you will write, whether you are writing with blue or black, the final output will be like black only. Okay, so black only కనిపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి use black pen, attempt every question. If for example, especially OU semester students, for 12 marks long theory question, minimum 3 sides is compulsory. For 4 marks question, minimum 1 side of or 1.5 side of page is compulsory. 1 side or 1.5 side is nothing but in your booklet, this one page is called one side. Like this is one side, back side and front side. Total 3 sides you need to write for long, and minimum 1 side of the page for short. And try to, in especially theoretical subject, try to draw the flow charts. Okay, drawing flow charts is must and should. When you are not elaborating your answer, when you are not striking the information related to the topic, you need to use your brain. How you need to use your brain is, for example, they have asked business economics features. For example, they have asked business economic features. I know only 5 or 6 points only I know. But in matter, whatever the points is there, that matter also I don't know. That time what I will use is, like this I will draw. Business economics. Whatever the points I am writing, like this I will do some flow charts. Then half of the page you will get, draw that flow chart. It will be impressive for the paper evaluator, and anyway you are having you are elaborating your answer also. So what I need to do is, in especially theoretical subject, if you want to score O grade, definitely you can score O grade. How you need to score O grade? Whether you are getting full answer, whether you are writing full answer, it doesn't matter to score O grade. How you are presenting your answers is important. ఓకే, మీ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నా కూడా ఆన్సర్ హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ మంచిగా లేకుండా, ఫ్లో చార్ట్స్ ఇట్లాంటివి ఏమి డ్రా చేయకుండా జస్ట్ సోదిలాగా రాసుకుంటూ పోతే ఓకే రాదు. వెదర్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. How you are presenting is matters a lot in theoretical subjects. Okay, so follow this all tips, it will be better to you all. So as many of the students are asking for me to do this presentation tips, so hope this video will be helpful to you all. Okay, all the videos are available in our channel, especially BCom students of Osmania University, first, third and fifth semester. All the examination important question notes, explanation videos, all available in our channel. Just check out for you if you want to know about that. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and do comment that how you felt about this video and whether this video is useful or not. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.